Fire delivery here, sir. Watch yourself there, sir.
What is this?
Obviously, it's a box with something in it, sir.
What? Well, there could be anything in there.
Yep.
Fragile. It must be Mandalorian.
It says fragile.
Oh. Oh. Will you look at that?
Yeah, that's
Will
something.
you look at that?
Well, what is it?
Well, it's a leg. Like in a statue.
A statue?
Yeah, a statue. Do you know what this is? Do you know what this is? This is a lamp. What a great lamp.
I don't know.
I think it'd be great in our front room window. What? You want to help me? Well, here, hold this. No. Like this. Like this, so that your little arms don't drop it. What did you say? That's what I thought you said. Hey. You're lucky I didn't rinse your mouth out with Jawa juice. Just a little bit to the left. Right there, that's perfect.
Well, what is that?
It's a major award. I won it.
You say you won that? I wouldn't know that.
Yeah, mind power, see? Mind power. You should see what it looks like from out here.